3. Welcome to your maths video for Monday the 30th of November. Hope you've had a lovely weekend. Okay, we haven't got too many days left of home learning and we'll soon be back at school. I'm sure you're as excited as I am. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you your home learning task today if you've got a Year 2 maths booklet. And our task is to complete pages 12 and 13 of the booklet where we're going to be multiplying. Okay, so multiplying, that just means we're doing our times tables. Now, on the first questions, it says, circle all the multiplications below that equal 12. So you need to circle all the questions that give the total 12. Now, there might be some questions that you perhaps don't know the tables for just yet. So some of you might be a little bit unsure on your 4s and your 3s, and certainly might be a little bit unsure about your 8s. Okay, so I'm going to show you a way you can find the answer to each question so that you can circle the ones that equal 12. Okay, so if we look at this question here, we've got 4 times by 3. Now, I like to use the word lots of instead of times. So I'm going to read that again. Instead, I'm going to say 4 lots of 3. Now, I think drawing really helps us with our times tables. So I'm going to draw what 4 lots of 3 looks like. And I'm going to choose Smarties to help me. So I've got 4 lots of 3. So there's 1 lot of 3. There's my first lot of 3 Smarties. There's another lot of 3. So now I've got 2 lots of 3. Now I've drawn 3 lots of 3. So I need 1 more to make 4 lots of 3. Okay. And to find the answer, you'd count all of your Smarties. Okay, now I'm going to count in 3s, but if you don't know your 3s, then you just count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, so let's find the answer. We've got 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, so I've given you one of the answers you need to circle. So we know that 4 lots of 3 is 12. All right, let me rub my board clean and we'll do one more. Okay, so this time I'm going to do the question 3 lots of 8. So if you knew your 3 times tables, you could get 8 fingers and you could count in your 3s. But if not, use my drawing tip. So remember, we use the word lots of. So I want 3 lots of 8. So I'm going to start by drawing 1 lot of 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 Smarties. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I've got 1 lot of 8, 2 lots of 8, and I need 1 more lot of 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that's what 3 lots of 8 looks like as a picture. Now, I know some of you will know your 3 times tables, so you can count on your fingers. But if you wanted to draw it, you could turn it the other way, Luke. And in each row, we've got 3 Smarties, haven't we? So let's count in 3s to find our answer. So we've got 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. Now, we're not going to circle that because it's not 12, but let's think our other question was 4 lots of 3. So if I write 4 lots of 3. Now, when we're multiplying, just like I've shown you with my board, you can switch your question around. So you could do 3 lots of 8 or 8 lots of 3, and it'd give you the same answer. So with 4 lots of 3, it could be 3 lots of 4, and it would still equal 12 that we found out. Now let me write that above there. 3 lots of 4 equals 12. Oh, does anybody notice a pattern? So 3 lots of 4 is 12 and 3 lots of 8 is 24. Double 4 is 8. Double 12 is 24. So really, we didn't need to work out that question to know it wouldn't have been 12, because we can tell if 3 lots of 4 is 12, well, 3 lots of 8 is going to be much bigger. Okay, so some other questions you've got in your booklet are some missing number questions. Now, let's have a little look. So I've got 2 times by something equals 18. Okay, that's the first question on number 2. So to find this missing number, we need to see how many times we can count in 2 until we get to 18. So we've seen how many times 2 fits into 18. So I'm going to use my fingers for this. So let's put my board down. Is it going to stand up? There we go. Okay, so let's count. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Okay, so I've reached 18, so I'm going to stop. I'm going to see how many times I've counted in 2. So I did 5 and 4, which is 9. Okay, so I've got 9 fingers. So 9 is my missing number. So 2 lots of 9 is 18. And you can maybe even draw a picture to see and to double check, just in case you're unsure. Okay, you're also on that page looking at multiplication as addition. Now, that's like my pictures I've just drawn you. So if I've got 3 lots of 2, that's 1 lot of 2, 2 lots of 2, 3 lots of 2. Now, another way of writing that is by using repeated addition. So that's the same as 2. That's my first 2. Add 2. That's my next 2. Add 2. So that is exactly the same. They would both equal 6. Okay, so 3 lots of 2 is the same as 2. Add 2. Add 2. So what you need to do is you need to match the addition number sentences with the multiplication ones. Okay, and then looking on to page 13, you've got to fill in the missing numbers in the sentences. So there are something groups of something sheep. So first of all, how many groups have you got? And then how many is in each group? Okay, and then on the next questions, you are finding the answers using a number line. So that says 2 lots of 7. So what you'd do to begin with is you'd jump and do 1 lot of 7. And then you'd do another lot of 7. Now you could switch that round and do 7 jumps of 2. It's entirely up to you. They'll give you the same answer. Okay, and then you've got a few more questions to do. I'm sure you'll do amazing. Remember, if you struggle, please send us an email and we can help. And make sure you send us lots of pictures of your learning. Looking forward to seeing you at school later this week. Bye.